guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Paulie C. It's a beautiful morning here in southern Ontario. We're enjoying the weather on this weekend. Today we're going to add to our outdoor lighting series. As you might have seen some of my other videos, I put solar lights in, solar lighting, just a bunch of stuff around the house. You can check those up in the cards or on my channel. Today we're going to add to that. I found something on Amazon that was quite unique. I never really saw before. I didn't really look for it. They're gutter lights. So I have this one area on the side of the house that's pretty dark. I got lighting all over the place, but subtle lighting to keep it, nice at nighttime so you can see. But this side of the house, the side of the garage, has no lighting whatsoever, and it's quite creepy. So I'm going to add some of these LED lights that are a subtle light, but not too bright. You know what I'm saying? Something just to light up the area to make it more safe, I guess you'd say. So let's get into the box and open this up. Alright, so we're in the area of where we're going to install it, between my neighbor's house and mine. So let's, first of all, before I show you that, I'm going to open up the box and see the contents. Now, of course, you do have the installation guide right here, and important notes and whatnot. You can pause the screen if you want to look at it. It's pretty basic. Like, I mean, you shouldn't really even need a instruction guide, but legally they have to include those. So here's the unit itself. This specific break it before I even install it. Okay, so here's the unit itself. It comes with 3 LEDs. Looks like there's a battery area in there too. I'll have to try to open that up. Alright, so I got myself a little screwdriver here. Okay, so it already comes with a no-name AA battery in there. Okay, so that's good to know. There's the on and off switch. Of course, it's not going to work now unless I put my hand over it. So there you see it. The light comes on, and cover that. So on, off. And it's back and forth. It's not, I thought it was a push at first, but so that's good. And it comes with the film that you gotta peel off here. So put that aside. Now, it comes with various screws and whatnot. We're probably gonna use this, look at that, it's got a little Ziploc bag there. Yeah, so probably going to use that wing nut and then the attachment that actually goes onto the gutter. Now, you don't have to limit this to a gutter. You can actually put it on the side of a fence or a deck, whatever. But they advertise this as gutter lights, and that's what we're going to do. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the area right here where we're going to be installing this. Alright, so you can see we're at the front of the house at the side of the garage. This is between my neighbors and myself. And this is the gutter that we're going to be installing it on. So let's go get our trusty ladder and get up there. Alright, so we got our trusty ladder out. But before we do that, let's just say, make sure the ladder is on a flat surface and safe to go up. Check it so it's solid. Before we go up there, we're going to see how we're going to put this together. So let's do that. Okay, so here are the contents that we have here that we're going to put together. So basically this just hooks in here, and actually no, that's upside down. It should go this way because this is where the gutter is going to sit, right there. So we're going to be using the wing nut method there, and this, I guess, if you want to screw it onto a fence or something. One quick note about the battery that you might want to know. It's a AA. They say if it doesn't around 8 to 12 months goes by and it's not lighting up, to replace it. That is a rechargeable battery, so if you have a recharge, put it in there. I suggest if you want a really good battery, buy one of those Energizer lithium, but honestly, just buy a good battery, just nothing too extreme, because those lithium ones are expensive, and it's really a cheap product, so don't want to go overboard. Anyways, let's get up there and put that on. Right, so we're up on the ladder now. Notice how I already kind of put that in there already, so it's just easier to put on. And it's a matter of just screwing that right to the Eavestrough. Yeah, you got to make sure it goes all the way in. There we go. So it's in there solid now. So all we got to do is wait till nighttime and see how these things work. Oh, by the way, make sure it's on, so you don't have to come back and check it. So make sure that's on. Yeah, guys, one thing I forgot to include, these things are so tiny, but they screw into the metal part that holds onto the bracket. It's up to your discretion to use it. I think I'm going to go up there and try to install them, just because they come with it. But I didn't even see them in the baggie, so they are in there. So when you're buying this, do check that. In case you're wondering what screw I'm talking about and where it goes right there. There you go, guys. It takes 2 seconds to put that screw in there, so yeah, don't hesitate to do it. It's just another thing to keep it secure. Alright, so we got all the tools and ladder and everything put away, so just a few notes here. You're going to want to use a focal point on where you want to install these so they're spaced somewhat properly. I use the screws that hold in, or sorry, the nails that hold in the Eavestrough, the gutter, for that. Also, when I was up there, I ensured, when I was doing those little screws, I ensured that everything was tight and ready to go. So yeah, they're all, and made sure all the lights were on too, the on button, so you don't run into any problems later on tonight. So there you go. All we have to do now is wait for the sun to go down, and actually this will have time too to charge even more throughout the day. So I suggest you do this early in the morning, or the day before. Just set them out on like the ground or something, I don't know, and let them, that's what I did, and they work fine. So let's just wait for night now. Okay guys, just like I promised, I'd do a little light review of the stuff I did before we do the gutter light reveal.
So this is the lights that I have in my house. All the LEDs and the solar. We actually have a video on this, so I'll leave that up in the cards. And I love these lights. These are the solar LEDs. And these are the ones that you plug in. And they're solar, of course. Okay, so here are the gutter lights that I put in. They are perfect. I'm gonna take a shot over here. Yeah, they light up this area perfectly. Okay, so here they are. All right, so here's the results without any lights on. Kind of hard to pick up on camera, but to me this is perfect for this walkway. Those. All right, here's another angle coming the other way. Perfect. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's going to be it for this this video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Also, check out my link tree, which has got all my links to all the social media. And if you could, if you're on your mobile device, give this video a hype. It does help us out and the algorithm. So until next time, we'll see you. Have a good one. Stay safe. And see you in the next video. Bye.